Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a mobile app in Bubble. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to sign up to your Bubble account, and after that just click on create an app and just type the name of your application here. Like I type this one, and after that when you type the name, make it sure that your URL should be allowed. So simply just type the name that URL can easily be found. So simply I have created the URL of my mobile application and created the name simple. After that click on create app, and now when you click on create app, so simply you will move to the main page of your website. Here you can build your application. So simply first of all you can see the header option here, or here in the left side text option. So simply just you can also drag the header, footer and login sign up page here, but simply first of all we will add the header here. Just drag it and drop it here. Simply you can see we have first of all add the header. So simply you can also customize it like this one. Simply double click on it, so you will go to properties. Here you can change the image. So after that here you can also crop the image, set the style and size and width. So simply now if you want to change this, simply click on bubble form, and here you can simply change it, like change your size and everything here. So simply as you can see, login and sign up option is here. So after that, now in the element section we want to add any text here. Simply just tag the text option here and simply just type the text here. And after that here change the name and style of your text. So simply just paste it here. Now we will select the style like heading. After that, just in the next section you have to add the button. Simply drag the button here and change the button name here. So also just close it. Now again go to buttons and add the second button here. Simply close it and just drag it in center. And now again go to buttons and simply add the third button here. So now after that when you add this, just simply keep in line. And now in the next section you can also add the icon, like simply I have selected this icon. So simply again go to icon and simply place this icon here. Now after this, what you need to do, just in the next you have to go to link. So if you want to apply any link here, so simply you can add the link here. Like I will type the application link here, or you can simply copy and paste the link of anything here. So after that, just simply what you need to do next, just as you can see the image option, simply drag the image option here and now go to upload image and select the image that you want to upload. After that, wait for few seconds, our image is being uploaded. So now when you upload the image, what you need to do next, just so as you can see our image is uploaded here. So simply you can also zoom it. So you can also add the multiple images here in the same way. So now after that, just keep in mind you have to go to the data and now create a new field here. Now type the file name here. So just keep in mind that like I want to add the data here in the application button. So simply just I will type the name and what type of file is here. So simply just go to data and just click on create a new field. So here just type the name and after that click here, and here you can see the text, number, date range, and simply we click on text and now click on create. So now data is saved. So after that just go to workflow and click here. So simply I want to take action on this button, so simply just click on button app. So here you can also select the color and after that just click on close. So in this way, one by one you can add the data in your applications like text, icon, buttons. And after that in the next section you can see you can also draw the shape here, like I've drawn this one. So simply you can also draw the shape. After that in the next section you can see alert. So simply if you want to make any alert notification here, simply just edit it here. And after that just in the next section you can see the video. So if you want to upload any video, simply you can also upload the video here. So add the video section and I add a video here. So currently I don't want to upload any video, so simply just you can upload video in your mobile section. After that in the next you can see to insert the option of HTML, and here you can insert the map, like if you want to allow the notification application, simply just you can install the map here. So whenever you design or put anything on your application page, simply you have to go to data and you have to store data and then go to workflow and type the action, that what kind of action do you want on this button or section or anything. Simply after that just you can see groups option. So now here replaying group focus, input forms like checkbox, drop down. So here we will add the drop down. So here you can also add the drop down, like if you click here the drop down menu will appear. And next you can see the search box. If you want to add the search box in your application, simply you can also add the search box here. And now here you can see the radio buttons, that if you want to apply the radio buttons here. So simply after that, so whenever you upload any item or pick item and draw it here, simply you can select, double click and change the properties there like appearance, layout and conditional. So now we will double click on info and go to conditional, click on define conditional, and simply here you can select the condition, get an option, drop down KK, group, header, image, logo and anything. Like here we will double click on this, go to conditional, when so define another condition like this drop down value. So simply you can add the condition here. After that, in the next, you can see the date, time and picker. So simply you can also add this here, date, time and picker. So in the next, you can see slider input, date and time picker, picture uploader. So if someone upload picture on her mobile app, like in some cases we need to upload a verifying picture or some kind of picture, so you can upload a picture uploader here. Simply when change, you can also change the appearance layout. When someone click on this, he can upload image from your application. So after that, just you can see the file uploader and install more new reasonable. So all these sections you can also add these. Now here we will go to styles. So here if you want to edit the style, simply you can also change the appearance, layout, conditional, all the options available here. And now here if you want to install a plugin, go to add a plugin, and like I want to add a Google material icon to my application, simply click on install, click on done, and after that just go to design page. So in this way you can also add the plugin into your applications. So now again you can also add the sign up and login form here, simply just paste it here. So as you can see, you can also edit this, like you can also edit the email section, password section, or anything that you want to make apply in your sign up section. So simply you can also add this. Now in the next, you can see the element templates. So tap template elements, sign up login form. Now go to the settings, and here you can check all the account settings. So if you want to change the application name or domain name, anything, you can change it here. So simply just go back to design. So in this way you can easily design a mobile app, and after that when you create a app you have to publish it. So in order to publish app you have to buy a premium package of Bubble, and when you buy a premium package and you simply install the application, and after that you can also use this application on different kind of app stores. So in this way you can easily create a mobile app in Bubble.